This is Spencer Highway. This is the Walmart parking lot down here on the lower right of the screen, and all around it is charred grass, and it even made it across the street here, which is incredible. That just goes to show you how intense the heat is from this, and that fire is spreading very slowly here, but again, firefighters, they're prioritizing structures, right? So they're not really paying attention, or they're not focusing on the grass fire as much as they're focusing on keeping these homes that are nearby from burning up. Notice how all of the smoke is just going straight up. Even in the chopper shot as it widens out, you can see how it's just going straight up into the air. It's not hugging the ground. It's not getting blown in any direction. We don't have a lot of wind. That's the one key thing that's helping firefighters keep this contained. We also don't have an inversion. An inversion is a layer in the atmosphere that puts a lid on things, and that would keep the smoke and the flames closer to the ground. So this is kind of allowing everything to disperse into the atmosphere, which is the best case scenario for a fire like this. Fire, though, is starting to encroach upon the backyards here. You can see the fence line here totally burned out, and so firefighters are trying to make sure that this is where the fire stops. So they're trying to create a fire line to protect these structures from becoming casualties of this fire. But you can see, look at the intense heat from this melting the plastic shed back here. Think about natural gas on your stove. I mean, that burns to almost 3,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Now imagine a column of burning natural gas that's 300 to 500 feet at its worst tall, and the amount of heat that's going to put off, right? So it's no surprise that we've seen homes, unfortunately, significantly damaged. The good news that I can tell you from a weather perspective is that air quality remains okay. Harris County pollution is down there monitoring the situation. But as we look at the map here, notice it's a lot of green. Now, granted, this map isn't high resolution enough to get us onto a neighborhood level, but because there's no inversion, and as you look at the Air 11 shot, that smoke is just going straight up into the atmosphere.